tracking your personal finance is very important. And to make it easy to track your finance, you can go ahead and utilize a tool called Spendee, which is available as a mobile app, or you can go ahead and utilize the web version of the app as well. In our tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and focus on how we can utilize the web version of Spendee. So to access Spendee, you can simply go to spendee.com on the browser of your choice, and then you get to this page right here. And in order to get started with using Spendee, you need to go ahead and create an account for it, and it's free to get started as well. So now to get started, simply click on login right here after going to spendee.com, and you will get redirected to app.spendee.com right here. So you can see that it is loading out right here. So you need to go ahead and sign up for the first use now. And now you can see it says login to Spendee right here. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and then enter out your email or password. But I don't have an account yet, so let me just click on sign up here. So now you can go ahead and enter out your email address, or you can go ahead and utilize one of these services as well. In my case, let me just go ahead and then use my email address and enter out password 2 times and click on sign up to Spendee. Once that is done, a verification email will be sent to your Gmail account right here. So you can see that it is loading, and under inbox right here, in a while, you'll get a verification email. So this is what you have, as you can see. So over here in my email, you can see it says, welcome to Spendee family. So this is the verification email that you need to use. And over here, you can see that it says, hi, well done by signing up right here, just like this. So now you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, sign in using this particular ID. So if I were to click on add transition, let's say, for example, then it'll go ahead and redirect me out to Spendee right here, just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and sign up for a Spendee account, and we are in the dashboard now. And as we move along through this tutorial series, we're going to go ahead and explore how we can go ahead and then utilize different Spendee features in order to go ahead and manage out our personal finance and keep track of everything. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe